I'm going to show you the tools that you need to put in a scroll trellis downspout trellis. Cordless screw gun, tape measure, pair of scissors, and of course you need one of these packages for the trellis itself. First thing you want to do is open this and be very careful because the instructions are on the back side of this label. We're going to pull this off and open this like this. There you go. And the instructions are all spelled out exactly on how to put it up. I'll show you. First thing you do is grab this to where it's tight in your hand and remove the string. Carefully remove the first block. There's a little package of fasteners. You want to remove that as well. Set that aside. Open this up a little bit until you can see these stainless steel zip ties. Set those aside. You do not want to open those or connect them until you're ready to install them. So just set them aside as is. Roll this thing back up easy. And we'll get to the ladder.